Hey, the guidance today is coming from the African Goddess Rising Oracle series. And the card for today is Mamlambo, self-sabotage. Let me show you what she looks like. All right, so let me tell you, she is a serpent being. Let's see, very beautiful being, but self-sabotage. When I see self-sabotage, to me, it reminds me of programming. Oftentimes we're programmed to sabotage ourselves. Sometimes you can sabotage yourself just with a negative thought, with some doubt. You can sabotage your success in an area. Sometimes you can say that you want to do something and you're moving on your path to receive whatever it is that you desire to receive. And then the next thing you know, your thoughts are going in a different direction as to where you thought you were going to go. So you're thinking of your goals and everything, and you're all gung-ho for this thing. And then all of a sudden the doubt creeps in and you're like, man, am I really going to do this? Is this really going to happen? Is this going to work out? And you start speaking out the negative things that you're thinking about, and then you self-sabotage. You sabotage your own success on the situation. So be careful, especially when you're manifesting your goals. Be careful of the things that come out of your mouth. Be careful of the thoughts. You know, if you start thinking something negative, you may want to say negate, 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 and then replace it with the positive of whatever that negative thing that you were talking about. So that's your tidbit for today. Ashe. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.